Hey guys, Jordan here and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. Alright, so let's start from the beginning. A few days ago I posted my DIY knotless box braid, which is this here. And so today I will be doing some styles because of course you can't do box braid and you don't know how to style your box braid. So guess what, your girl's got the hookup for you. Today I'll be showing you guys how I typically style my box braids, and I'm gonna be giving you guys not one, not two, not even 10, but 20. Come a little closer. You heard me. I'll be giving you guys 20 different ways to style your box braids. Okay, I'm here with the hookup, sis. Don't worry yourself. Okay, so yeah, let's jump into this video. Alright guys, so of course style number one is, if you guessed, a bun. And not just any bun, a high bun. Style number two is pulling out the braids and letting them hang to the side. You know, this is giving me like Beyonce vibes. Style number three is going to be having the braid out in a ponytail and having two of your braids out the front. That is style number three. Style number four, we're going to wrap back or bun. What do you think? Style number four. And now for style number five. So we're letting our braids hang freely. You can have fun with this, guys. I typically like bring all my braids to one side. I don't know, it's just a thing for me. Bring all of them to one side. So you can even like flick it back and make everything go backwards. So yeah. Style number seven, I would keep my braids to the side and I would braid them. Ooh. And yeah, this would be a style for me. Alright, so moving on to style number 8, I'm going to be doing a half up, half down. So this is style number 8. You can bring your braids to the front, all of. Oh, we're looking girly. Style number 9, if you guessed it, would be to put this in a bun. Yeah, and this is style number 9. Style number 11. Style number 12 would be to get your braids parted in two. And just make two buns to the side. And this would be style number 12. So cute. So 13 would be to wrap these around. Style number 14 would be to just catch up the middle section of your hair. For style number 14, of course, you can keep your braids down. You can keep your little ponytail the top to the side or to the other side, or you could throw it in the back, but I prefer it on the side. Style number 15 would be to pull your hair to the side. So this would be 15. 16 would be to take a section of the front of your hair out, right? And then a section from this side of, like, I'm gonna only take the first two and I'm gonna pull it in the back. So these two will connect at the back of your head. So I'm gonna like and voila, this is 16. Would be to keep the same knots in the back but let your hair down, and then I prefer everything to one side. You could also like twist it together, and this would be 17. Wow. And then now for 18 it would be like a low ponytail. And then for 19 you can use a scarf. Giving me like schoolgirl vibe. I don't know about y'all. And then 20 would be something very simple. And voila! Pull it to the front like this just to make it look cute and simple. So this is like 21. Oh my god, guys. So with box braid you can be very creative. You don't have to follow what everyone is doing in terms of style. You just have to go with, just incorporate your personal style in terms of styles that you do your weave in if you wear weave, or styles that you do your natural hair in, and just think of your braids as an extension of you. So it's really like your hair, so you can style it however you want, what makes you comfortable. As I said, it's been a week since I did this hairstyle. By the way, if you have not yet seen my video on how I achieved these knotless box braids, I'm gonna link it in the iCards above as well as the description box below, so be on the lookout for that. So yeah guys, just go with it, just have fun with it, and just do what you want to do, or what pleases you, or what styles you're interested in. Or if you're just a simple person like me, you can just keep it in a bun, because that's what I've been doing for the past week. That is all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe on this video. Until next time, my beautiful army, take care.
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts.